Whether you call it ujeqe, songa samanzi, le dombolo, I think it's safe to say that as South Africans, we absolutely love it. We also absolutely love oxtail. So those two come together in one pot. Le dombolo on top, almost like a pie crust, giving pie-ish. Come on, work with me here. Once you've gotten that beautiful crusty golden color on your meat, you take it out and set it aside for a minute. Adding some diced onions, a rosemary sprig, thyme, some garlic, sofrito. Sofrito is basically some celery, onions, and carrots. So it's also just epically flavored. Once I've cooked out my tomato paste, now I add my oxtail back in. Liquid beef stock, declaze the pan, but also just to be delicious. Want to bring this liquid up to a gentle simmer, close the lid. I like to just put it in the oven, forget about it, come back when it's ready. Start with your dombolo dough, some flour, sugar, yeast. I add in a lot of fresh herbs. I'm using parsley and chives. Okay, now to this I add a can of drained butter beans. Put it at a gentle simmer. Look at how sticky and just like glutinous it is now. I remember spending winter school holidays at my grandmother's place and she would make this using beef bones. So there wasn't a lot of meat, but the flavor of the beef bones would kind of just infuse into the dombolo dough, and it was like one of my favorite meals. Is it a pie? I don't know. I'm pretty sure it tastes good. Let's give it a go. Just transported me home. The oxtail is full of the bone soft. The dombolo is fluffy, it's sweet, but herby, delicious. The sauce is thick, a little bit sticky, that deliciousness. If you want more recipes like this, follow us, and please make this. Tag me, tag Woolworths Taste, and happy eating.